You didn't get this long on Baba?
No,
Brian?
no. But I did. You and I both shorted the Chinese stocks as they started to sell off. So that was my second good trade I got. Made up, made up for the loss on that with the short on JD.
All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday Turnaround. Market is reaping right now. I had some pretty awesome day. And if the market is like that, I tell people, if every day is like that, the world would be a much better place. People don't fight over parking spots. There is no attacks anywhere. It's just rip like that. Market is it's just nice that market is going up like that. So BABA, Chinese sectors have been really active in the last couple of days because of the potential delisting, and then there is China and Russia relationship that they might get sanctioned. So investors are running away from Chinese companies, including BABA. And BABA gave us a really nice trading opportunity in the last couple of days. At least in the last week, I traded almost every day, and it was amazing. So I did trade it again today as well, and a potentially 5-minute open range breakup or 1-minute open range breakup. I just got in right at 934, a heavy at 115, popped up to 116, 117, and then I got out of the break even. And then I have flipped my position to the short because I saw the huge drop at the VWAP, and I got from 114.50 all the way up to 112.50 as well. So left and right, that was a really nice trade. And after that, it just ripped higher. So it could potentially be one of those trades that Thor is doing. It's just buying from the below the VWAP, ripping higher. So I don't know if Thor actually did trade it or not, but that was really nice. And then NEO was also another really big scalp, but NEO just gave us a little bit hard time. It's just I'm taking bigger size than NEO because it's a lower price stock. That's why, because a lot of traders are taking bigger size. It's more choppier because people are more scalping it with bigger positions. So I went long, I got out, but I just jumped back in there for a 5-minute opening range breakup. Essentially, I got a really huge squeeze on it. I added more and I got stopped out. And then I had another one, another quick scalp, like 5, 10, 20 cents from here. That was really nice over there. But regardless, it's just didn't give the nice move that I was expecting to get from BABA, and I didn't really short that. So that was it. On the other account, we had TQQQ, which is running. That was really nice. So on the other account, we had so I had TQQQ as a swing, and then I added below the VWAP at 53. Now we're ripping at 55, and the situation is really solid over there after two dark months that we had on this account, but now TQQ is going up. So over there, the situation is really solid, and TQQ is going to go up. I still keep a little bit of 7,000 shares over there, and here in this account, we're going to close it at $23,000. So that was a pretty solid day. I'm gonna fly tomorrow to Paris, and I trade tomorrow. I'm gonna fly to Paris. I have 1 day in Paris, and then I'm gonna fly to Morocco. I'm doing a marathon race. It's called Marathon des Sables, which is 7 days in the desert running, and you have to carry everything. It's more like expedition style. So wish me luck for that Marathon des Sables. But I trade tomorrow, but I trade Thursday, but I'm not gonna trade the next week, unfortunately. So that's so I better to bank on the situation right now, because I'm not gonna even access probably to internet for next week. And so Brian, how was your trading?
I had a good day. I started out with a short on Oxy. I got even before the market opened on Oxy, so got in short on that, and it had a really nice sell-off right at the open. Just dropped like a stone. I could see the weakness in it as we were going into the open. Yeah, so
Brian always
look
at the price action just a few minutes before the open. That a lot of time it gives the confirmation that how he wants to trade. As you see, it really was weak going into the open.
And oil is down too, so and Oxy's been on a tear, so kind of figured it would be a good candidate for a short. But yeah, it was setting up nicely going into the open, getting weaker as we got closer to the bell. So yeah, that I did have a have a bit of a shakeout on BABA. I tried to take it on an opening range breakout at the open, and it pulled back on me, so I got stopped out on that.
Ah, you didn't get you
Um,
didn't get this long on Baba,
and
Ryan? Ah, damn.
no, stupid.
You
But
missed it.
I did, you and I both shorted the Chinese stocks as they started to sell off. So that was my second good trade I got. I made up made up for the loss on that with the short on JD. You shorted
Yeah,
Baba, I shorted JD, but
JD, this one.
they both basically moved the same. Yep.
Yeah, I dropped more.
And
JD actually was weaker. JD dropped way more than Baba. Baba really
yeah,
resisted.
because JD, it was everything. All the Chinese stocks I think were up on the Baba news that they're going to be buying back some shares. Other than that, I did a few other trades. UPST, shorted that, but it was very difficult to, it was pretty choppy. But I did make some money on that one. ZIM, I actually got a long on it, got a nice move on that one. So yeah, I had a few trades today. I sat down in the morning. I didn't think there was anything that was looking too interesting, but as always, we get close to the open, things start to, there are opportunities start to present themselves. And then with the help of the scanners, so I turned it into a really nice day.
Yeah.
And I will be flying and not with Andrew, but going to the same area of the world. I'll be going to Egypt, so I'll be trading the open tomorrow, and then I will be going to the airport and flying to Cairo. So I will be on and off next week. Maybe we'll see how my days go, but I think it's about 9 hours ahead. So it'll be afternoon trading. So it'll be civilized time for trade. So rather than getting up at
So Brian is gonna
why a
have
trip
some
to Cairo?
doodly trade
Yeah,
on top of the camel.
exactly, in front of the pyramids.
Perfect. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Today, I think Megan, you're having a presentation. Megan is gonna have her first actually webinar trade book for us, and we're excited to learn from Megan. She's amazing. I'm right, yeah. Megan is having, yeah. So Megan is having.
Yeah.
So make sure, guys, come support her. She's awesome. She's gonna jump on the mic after me. And if you guys are not part of the community, check us out. Don't spend a lot of money on any education or community before checking it out at the lower price or free. And hopefully that you guys choose your trading journey with us. Have a good day, and I'll see you all tomorrow morning. Actually, tonight in the webinar. I'm going to see you tonight in the webinar.
Yep.